Okay, before we start with Relevance AI, let's understand what is difference between custom GPT make and then Relevance AI. In custom GPT, we only created a GPTs where when we do input, they give us the output which we required, and it is like chatbot. Then in make, we have created a flow of automations where we can connect various types of Google Sheet, Gmail, Slack, and it create workflows which automates the workflow where we can send alerts. But in in Relevance AI, we build tools, logic, using logic. So we can say that when we create an agent, it analyze, then generate content, summarize reports. It also can trigger emails or take actions automatically. So Relevance AI is mix of chat GPT, custom GPT and make. In summary, we can say that Relevance AI, it thinks also and it takes actions, whereas make only connect tools and takes action, and custom GPT talks smart. So now let's begin with the Relevance AI. Relevance AI is free platform. Here we don't need paid version. We can do our tasks using our own accounts. So when we log in, the screen appears like this. On left side there are agents, templates, as well as tools, workforce, knowledge base, where we can attach our documents and etc. And then in agents, here is the list of agents which we have created, as well as at when we click on agent, we can see the agents we have created, and from here we can create new agent. When we click on new agent, here we get two options, that is build with event and build from scratch. Build with event in this, where if we type the means we have to build a agent where we need tools. We have to here list tools. Here we have to write what exactly we need this agent for. And for build from scratch, how we have to do every step manually, but if we type here, they make it automatically. So we will start from build from scratch only. Here uh, here we need to write the agent title, then its short description and tools. And here on the left side there are tools. From here we can create new tools which we can use it in this agent, and knowledge base, where we can drop our files for which we need for our agents. Now we will start with prompt. In our drive, I have given this stepwise how to create a new agent, as well as there is link of prompt. From here you can, all prompts will be visible. So we are going to create a Relevance AI agent, of it is named as a sales co-pilot, where we are, when there is any call or any meeting with any other company, and we need we need to contact with them to ensure that they buy our product. For that, a pre-call report is necessary, where we can see what actual the other company needs, what we can provide them, what their main focus is on. So it can generate the output which we can in the report form. So it will hardly take 5 to 10 minutes to read it, analyze it, and it can make our call with them more effectively. We can answer their questions. Yeah, we can prove our strengths as what they needed. So we can wrap the deal. Here the sales co-pilot. So we will name the agent as sales co-pilot. Description, here we will write what actually this agent does. That is help us in the help us in researching our prospect and on automations. So I will just copy paste it. And here instructions, like we do to video, we used to do to custom GPT or to assistant, same way we need here to write prompt. which contains role, instructions, guidelines, and set of rules. So here I will just give you the detail role. It is a search assistant. Overview: act as professional and efficient sales research assistant. Then key responsibilities, what they need to do, and here we list the tools which we are gonna make. And final note, how you have to act. It is the same which we do. Then we need to create tool. For example, here we need three tools. That is first is prospect research tool, then company research tool, where the actually we need to put new tool when the screen appears. Here also there are two options, that is build on your own or invent. So we'll start with build on our own. Pre-call report generator. Actually what this tool do is it generates a report. So we of the tools which we are gonna use further. Input. Here are options which we can take: text, long text, numbers, JSON. We can we can choose as we want, but for now we will go with text. Then here again we need to add the name and description. Actually this is the prospect summary, means which company we are gonna talk with. Here it lists that company's details. Here also the same prompt which we used to write, we need to write similarly, of role, tasks, then input variables, specifications and notes, but this we write in LMM. Here when we yeah, here next step, here we need to add steps. Here from here we can add anything, that is Gmail, yeah, note, Google Sheets, Google Documents, everything. But now we will go with LMM, sorry, LM. When we press on expand, here we can write our prompt. That is how this should act. And input variables, we need to add this after we complete writing our creating our own two tools which we're gonna do further. Here again we need to click and create a new tool. This tool consists only a prospect researcher, where it will where will attach LinkedIn and it will take URL from us and it can do the research. For that we need to add step and their LinkedIn. Here get link, there occurs many options. For now we have to we need company's profile and their post. So what we do is we select a get LinkedIn profile and post. This tool tell us about actually what company is up, what company does, and what actually the company is about. And what we name here, we have to give it in URL. When we click on here, input is, so it takes input as LinkedIn URL. And for method, we select get company user profile. That is our second tool is also created. Always we need to save that tool, otherwise it doesn't occur in our list. So again selecting on tool, here pre-call generator, report generator is there, then prospect researcher is there. Now we need to add one, that is company research. New tool, build on your own. Similarly, here short caption we give that it takes company URL and does the research generating summary form. Here again we need to add step text. We give here this is URL for company to be researched must be in format. So if anyone given in the specific format, then only it will research. Save changes. Here our three tools are ready: research company, prospect researcher and pre-call generator report. Then we will go to prompt. So here we need to add our tools, that is first is prospect research, because first we take input about the person who is coming to attend meeting from other company, so we can research about his LinkedIn profile, get data from there and understand what he actually does, what he actually needs at present. So prospect research, here we need to add our tool. Here we type slash, then option, here option after that is tools, variables and tool placeholder. We will go with tool. Then first is prospect researcher, so we select here. Then similarly we will do for company URL, company research, that is slash tool research company, and last with pre-call report generator. So now our agent is done. We will just save